dish is going to be really simple. A little Louis salad, artichoke, Chairman's Reserve, quick Friday night supper here. We're doing some Chairman's Reserve fillets. I trimmed it off of a nice tenderloin, but these are nice thick fillets. They're going to be great. We're just going to do this real basic. This is a quick hit dinner. A little garlic olive oil. Get some of that garlic flavor in there. Since it's being cooked on the gas grill, I like having a little oil on the meat surface because I'm cooking on a gas grill and it'll help me with the sticking issue. But also, it acts as a little bit of glue for the rub we're using. We're using Big Papa's Competition Brisket and Steak Rub, which I've won a whole bunch, and a whole bunch of guys have got perfect scores. It's a very good competition rub, but I probably named it wrong because it's really better at home. So this has got alder smoked sea salt, it's got rendered beef fat, it's got garlic, it's got just about everything you can want. The beautiful sea salt I really like. So this dish is going to be really simple. A little Louis salad, artichoke, and I'm going to show you how to cook the artichoke. We do the artichoke in the microwave for 7 minutes, and then we grill it. So I'll be showing you that. So we're seasoning the meat first, then we're going to do the artichoke, because we want to give a chance for that sea salt to sweat on top of the meat. You know, I always talk about sweating. No pain, no gain. Here we go. All right, so the steaks are ready. The grill's preheated, and now it's time to go straight to the artichoke. One of the things about the artichoke, let's come in here, cut the bottom of the stem off. This top you don't eat. I'm going to cut it off, and I'm going to come in here. I'm going to kind of shave the corners. Go in here, cut it in half. Now, one of the things about artichokes is they don't like oxygen, so I'm going to get it in the water as soon as I can because they like to turn brown. So now the next thing we do, see we got these, just trim some of these low, useless leaves that don't have any fruit. So that one. Now artichokes, they're a lot of work, but they're so good, especially in the summer. So we're going to go in here with this knife, and we're going to come under here, it's all this hair here, and I'm going to go as deep as I can. And pull it out. I come in here and get in these nasty parts out. A little deeper. Then I'm using the blade of the knife. I'm going to come in here with a spoon and clean it up even better. Now these purple leaves that have sharp things on top, we're going to pull those out too. This is what you want to see. I'll put that in the bowl of water here. It's just got about an inch or so of water. Let's do the other one again. We're going to come in here, and then the last bit of cleanup is the spoon. Well, this one turned up beautifully. Right there is the heart. That's the heart of the artichoke, but you eat the meat off the bottom leaves, and then you find out the true fancier of artichokes, how quickly they get this heart and eat the heart. But it's truly great. So we're going to go in here, put a little bit more water in it, take some saran wrap. We'll do a nice seal, kind of like a drum head. But the funny thing we're going to do, we're going to poke some holes so the steam can escape. Then we're going to put it on your microwave at high for 7 minutes. Then we're going to drain it, and I'll show you what happens when we get there. 4 holes in their microwave. I'll be right back. I'll have about 3/4 of the way done artichokes. I'm going to finish them on the grill, but I'll also have a clean cutting board. So we'll be right back. Well, time flies when you're having fun. We're back at it. It's been 7 minutes. I got the bowl that was in the microwave. One thing I want to warn you about, it's hot. The bowl's hot. Use nice padding oven mitts, and then use tongs to pull them out. Be careful of steam, because steam can burn. So I'm very careful here. Now I'm going to pull them out with tongs. Shake some of that water out, okay? All right, so we've got our artichoke hearts here, and they feel good. We're just gonna come here with a little Meyer lemon oil. Try and get it down here too. We're also, because we like the oil, we also like to have an acid, so we're using citrus champagne vinegar. Pour it down the top so it gets in there. Might be a little heavy, just shake it off. Now here comes the seasoning. We're going citrus, it's California. So the first thing we're gonna do, the first layer, is Hallelujah lime. And we're just gonna use a little to give it a little character. We're not going heavy on the heat. And that's one thing to remember with Hallelujah. It doesn't have to be loaded on 2 inches thick. Just a nice sprinkle gives you the subtle lime and also brings out the jalapeno. Now Desert Gold's got lemon in it, so this is gonna be kind of a lemon lime deal. It's also got sesame, garlic, and a bunch of wonderful things. Now what we're gonna do, because I always include you guys, you know that. We're gonna take the baggie, because you know I always use baggies. Now, if your microwave, when you do it for 7 minutes, if it feels like it's already done, go to 6 minutes. Find what the power level of your microwave is. So we've got that stuff in there, in a baggie to hold when we go outside. I'm just gonna, it's a little more oil, because again, it's going on the gas grill. Seal them up. Shake them up good. Take some of the air out. Onto the tray. And look, everything's right here. I've got some lemon slices here that I put the Desert Gold and the jalapeno lime, because I'm going to grill those for kind of accent and color. And then I have some juice that I can squeeze when it's almost done. So we're ready to go outside. I'll see you by the cooker. Okay, we got the grill going good. Now we're going to use my iPhone timer. I love to do that, your cell phone. We're going 2 minutes, covered. Okay, we didn't get much of a grill mark yet, but we will. 2 more minutes. Time flies when you're having fun. Remember that, kids. But you're wondering, we're doing the artichokes last. Because we're going to take these steaks after they've got about 8 minutes on them, and we're going to put them up on the top shelf here, and then we're going to go to work on the artichokes. Oh yeah. You know the drill, another 2 minutes. See how patient with these steaks? Okay, it went 6 minutes because I checked it. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to start the artichoke. I'm not going to leave this on too high, it's going to break, but I like a warm plate. So let's check the temperature. 120, 130. It's going to rest up to 135. Just a little bit of oil and just rest it on top. Let's do some lemon work here. We just want these to look good on the plate, and if somebody does want to eat them, they can. Now, we put it on that side first for a reason. If there was a bunch of oil and flare up, I want it to happen on the outside of the leaves, not the inside of the leaves. Hold it up just for a few seconds. So close to a perfect lemon. Talking about. Okay, here we go, baby. Shear it off.